Welcome to KR Tutorials. In this video, let us discuss second exercise sums. So, in that first one, evaluate the followings. So, sin 45 plus cos 45. So, these trigonometric values we have to substitute and we have to simplify. So, here sin 45 plus cos 45 value we have to evaluate. But here sin 45 value 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Already we know sin 45 value 1 by root 2, cos 45 value also 1 by root 2. So these two values we have to simplify. Root 2 LCM is root 2 only. So direct numerators are added. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 by root 2. So actually 2 by root 2 is answer, but in the denominator rational number is there. So that's why we have to rationalize the denominator. Sorry, rational number is there in the denominator. We have to rationalize. So for this, see this root 2 we can write as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2 whole square root cancel, 2 will get. Otherwise root 2 into root 2, root 4, square root of 4 value 2. So 1 root 2 gets cancelled. So the answer is root 2. So sin 45 plus cos 45 value root 2. So same like that, this one also we have to evaluate. So here cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 60. So here cos 45 value 1 by root 2 by, so sec 30 value. So sec is reverse of cos. Cos 30 value we have to reverse. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So therefore sec 30 value 2 by root 3 plus cosec 60. Cosec is inverse of sin. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Therefore cosec 60 value 2 by root 3. So this value we have to simplify. So 1 by root 2. The denominator root 3 LCM is root 3. So root 3. So direct numerators are added. 2 plus 2. So 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2, 4. 4 by root 3. So this value we can write as 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. Okay, when you write in numerator root 3 by 4. So 1 into root 3 by 2 root 2 into 4 root 2. So root 3 by 4 root 2 is the answer. So next third one, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by cot 45 plus cosec 60 minus sec 30. So this value we have to calculate. So here first given value sin 30 plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus sec 30 degrees. So these values first we have to substitute. So sin 30 value 1 by 2. Sin 30 value 1 by 2 plus tan 45 value 1 minus cosec 60 value 2 by root 3 by cot 45 value 1 plus cos 60 value 1 by 2 minus sec 30 value 2 by root 3. So just that values we substitute. Now we have to simplify this one. See in the numerator, so 2 root 3 LCM is 2 root 3. 2 and root 3 LCM is 2 root 3. So here only 2 is there. So we have to multiply with root 3. Root 3 into 1, root 3. Plus here one denominator only 1 is there. But here LCM is 2 root 3. So this numerator we have to multiply with 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into 1, 2 root 3. Next minus. Here only root 3 is there. So 2 root 3 is LCM. So with 2 we have to multiply. 2 2 is 4. So root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. By next Here denominator 1 to root 3 LCM is 2 root 3. 1 2 root 3 LCM 2 root 3. Again here only 1 is there, with 2 root 3 we have to multiply. 2 root 3 into 1, 2 root 3. Plus here only 2 is there, with root 3 we have to multiply. Root 3 into 1, root 3. Minus here only root 3 is there, with 2 we have to multiply. 2 2 is 4. So in the denominator 2 root 3, in the denominator 2 root 3 gets cancelled. So remaining here 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3 will be left, minus 4 by here 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 4. So here numerator and denominator values are same, so that's why cancel. So the answer is 1. So therefore sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by cot 45 plus cosec 60 minus sec 30 value is 1. Next fourth one, 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. So here 2 into tan 45's value we have to square. So tan 45 value 1 square. So 2 into tan 45 square value. So tan 45 value 1 square. Next plus cos 30 value. So cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 value whole square. So sin 60 value is also root 3 by 2 whole square. So 2 tan 45 value 1 square plus cos 30 value root 3 by 2 square is there. So square minus, so root 3 by 2 whole square. So we have to simplify this one. 2 into 1 square value 1 root 3 root a by b whole square value a square by b square. So root 3 whole square means root 3 whole square by 2 square minus this one also root 3 whole square by 2 square. So 2 into 1 2, square root cancel, so 3 by 2 square value 4 minus square root cancel 3 by 4. So your 2 denominator is 1. So 1 4 4 LCM is 4. So here 4 4 times increase. So we have to multiply with 4. 4 2 is 8 plus here 4 4 LCM. So direct numerator 3 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 cancel 8 by 4. So 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. So the answer is 2. So 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 value is 2. So this one is fourth one. Next fifth one, sec square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 value we have to find. So sec square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. First we have to substitute these values. So sec 60 value 2, sec 60, cos 60 value reverse, cos 60 value 1 by 2. So reverse time 2 by 1 means 2. So 2 square minus tan 60 value root 3. So here whole square by sin 30 value 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 60 value, cos 30 value root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square. So 2 square value is 4, square root cancel 3. Next 1 square by 2 square, 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4, 1 by 4 plus here square root cancel, so 3, 2 square value 4. So 4 minus 3 value 1 by the denominator LCM is 4, numerators are added. So 1 by 4 by 4, 4 4 cancel, that is equals to 1 by 1, that is equals to 1. So that's why sec square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 value 1. Next second bit, choose the right option and justify your answer. Here some multiple choice questions given. We have to solve that question and right answer we have to choose. So here first one, 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 equals to dash. This value is equals to either sin 60 or cos 60 or tan 30 or sin 30. So just first we have to find this value. So here 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 given. Just to substitute values. 2 into tan 30 value is what? 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 value 1 square. So 2 into 1 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square value 1. That means 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 2. This 2 cancel. So 1 by root 3 will be left. So this total value is 1 by root 3. So in this, which value is 1 by root 3? Sin 60 value is what? Root 3 by 2. Cos 60 value is what? 1 by 2. Tan 30 value what? 1 by root 3. Sin 30 value what? 1 by 2. So here 1 by root 3 value is tan 30. So that's where option C is correct. So next second one, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 value is equals to tan 90 or 1 or sin 45 or 0. So just this values we have to substitute. 1 minus tan 45 value 1 square is there. So 1 square by 1 plus tan 45 value 1 square. So if you simplify this one, 1 minus 1 square value 1 by 1 plus 1 square value 1. 1 minus 1 0 by 2. But 0 by something equals to 0. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. Okay, option D is correct. Next, third one, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. So 2 into tan 30 value. So 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. So 2 into tan 30 value what? 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30. 1 by root 3 whole square. Now this value we have to simplify. 2 into 1 2 by root 3 by 1 minus, this square belongs to numerator and denominator. 1 square value 1 by root 3 whole square value 3. So 1 by 3. So now 2 by root 3 by, your LCM is 3. 3 into 1 3. 3 minus 1. So 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 2. 2 by 3. So in the numerator 2 gets cancelled. So here 1 by root 3 by 1 by root 3 into this 1 by 3 we can write as 3 by 1. That means 3 by root 3. But 3 by root 3 we can simplify. So in the denominator irrational number is there. So rational is the denominator. So again this 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled. So answer is root 3. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees value root 3. So in this, which one value is root 3? We have to see. Cos 60 value is what? 1 by 2. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. That's why this is not answer. Sin 60 value what? Root 3 by 2. This is also not. Tan 60 value is what? Root 3. So that's why option C is correct. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. So only tan 60 value is root 3. That's why 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30 value equals to tan 60 degrees. Yeah, next third one. Evaluate sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? So here two questions are given in this. First we have to evaluate this value. Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Then after sin 60 plus 30 value we have to evaluate. From these two, what we conclude, we have to write. So first, let us calculate this value. Sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees. So here sin 60 value, these values we have to substitute. Sin 60 value is what? Root 3 by 2 into cos 30 value is what? Same root 3 by 2. Sin 30 value, sin 60 cos 30 values are equal. Next, plus sin 30 value 1 by 2 into cos 60 value also 1 by 2. These two values are equal. Now root 3 into root 3 whole square by 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4. Square root cancel. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So 4 LCM is 4. Numerators are added directly. So 3 plus 1 4 by 4 4 gets cancelled. So answer is 1. So the total sin 60 cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees value is 1. Now we have to find sin 60 plus 30. Now find the sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. So sin 60 plus 30 means sin 60 plus 30 degrees we can write as 90 degrees. So sin 90 value is what? 1. See what we conclude from this total value also 1, this value also 1. Therefore these two are equal. So from this, therefore we can conclude that, so these two values, so sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 cos 60 degrees is equals to sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. So actually this is one formula in trigonometry, that is sin, say for example here 60 degrees means A, angle A, and 30 degrees means B. So sin A plus B equals to sin 60 means what here? A, sin A, cos B means what? 30 means B. So sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus here sin B cos A. So this is one formula. Sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus sin B cos A, or cos A sin B also we can write. So sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is one formula in trigonometry chapter.